How to draw on Picsart tutorial. If you would like to draw something on Picsart, it is very simple. Just launch the Picsart application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. So to draw something on Picsart, tap on the plus icon that you can see from the very bottom. Now over here you can simply choose to create a design, but we want to draw something. So in order to draw, at the very top you can see the option called draw and color. So tap on the draw and color option. So when you tap on draw and color, over here you can simply choose create new drawing or use a photo or recover it. So you can tap on create new, select a folder if you want to, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then draw on Picsart. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.